Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1981 Chevy C10. Now if you've got any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this truck, and then we'll get it on a lift and out on the highway as well. And as you look across the front, you can see that the grille and the bumper are phenomenal, and it'll also give you the opportunity to look down the sides, and you can see that they're straight as an arrow. Now as we come on around the driver's side, you can see that all of your gaps here at the doors are even and symmetrical. You'll also notice you got beautiful body lines, and that this C10 truck does have the Silverado package. Now before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look at the interior. On the inside, you can see that this truck's done in the black, which is the factory option for it. You'll also notice as you look across the dash that all of the gauges are in excellent condition, and they're working all the way down to the clock. Now as we come on around, you'll notice we got power windows and power door locks, and that the door panels, seat covers, carpet, and headliner are all phenomenal. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside and give you another opportunity to look down the sides, and we'll come across the back. You can see that all the stainless here is beautiful, along with the chrome bumper and the exhaust tips. Now before we go on around the passenger side, I want you to come on up and take a look inside the bed. You can see that it all appears to be rock solid, and it's been painted and polished just like the outside of the truck. Now as we come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this truck is. It's done in the factory midnight black. It has been repainted, buffed, and polished to this gorgeous shine that's slick as a ribbon. Now on the corners, you got the 15-inch American wheels, which give this truck a great stance. And you'll also notice that you got the white letter Avenger GT tires. If you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Now under the hood, it features the 400 engine. You can also see that it's been dressed with the fin valve covers and breather. And you'll notice that this truck is a factory AC truck, along with having power steering and power brakes. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 81, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this truck around there so that way you can look at the bottom, and then we'll get it out on the highway as well. Now that we've got this Chevy up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the driveline along with the floors and frame. From first glance, you can see that this truck has been immaculately cared for over the course of its life, and that all of the floors and frame appear to be original and rock solid. This truck was a frame-off restoration, and under the front you can see that all of the ball joints and bushings are in great condition. The 400 engine is mated to the 700R trans that goes out back to the 12-bolt rear end with around a 256 gear. For exhaust, it has headers with dual pipes and the Hushmaster mufflers. You can see that the gas tank also appears to have been replaced, and that the fuel lines are in great condition, along with the brake lines that run to the rear drum and front disc. Now before we get this 81 on the highway, let's take another close look at how solid all of the floors and frame appear to be.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.